Imagine waking up every morning with money rolling into your account without lifting a finger or spending a dime up front. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in 2025, that dream can become your reality. Welcome back to Finance, where we make finance simple and accessible. Today, I'll be sharing 5 powerful passive income ideas that require absolutely zero upfront investment. That's right, no money needed. If you're looking to build income streams that work for you in the background, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make another video with 20 more passive income ideas. Just head down to the comments section and tell me if you want that extra video. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Passive income idea 1: print on demand. Let's kick things off with print on demand. Here's how it works. You design items like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and upload your designs to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printery. When someone buys your product, the platform handles printing, shipping, and customer service, and you earn a cut of the sale. What's awesome is that you don't need design skills to get started. You can use free tools like Canva to create simple graphics or slogans. Once your designs are uploaded, they're out there 24/7, generating sales while you sleep. Passive income idea 2: affiliate marketing. A next great way to earn, without upfront costs, is affiliate marketing. This works well if you enjoy sharing recommendations on social media, blogs, or even YouTube. Here's the idea: you promote products or services you love, and every time someone buys through your unique link, you get a commission. Amazon's affiliate program is a popular choice, but there are many others like ClickBank and ShareSale. You can even find specific brands in your niche with affiliate programs. It's free to sign up, and if you're consistent, you can see results over time. Passive income idea 3: digital products. Digital products are a top choice for passive income because they're low cost to create and sell endlessly. Think of digital planners, templates, printables, or ebooks. You could create something once, let's say a budgeting spreadsheet, and sell it over and over without lifting a finger. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even social media can help you start for free. The key to succeeding with digital products is solving a common problem or tapping into a hobby or interest. Maybe you have experience in a certain area, like photography or fitness. Why not package your tips into a guide and start sharing? Passive income idea 4: ad revenue. Ad revenue is a great passive income stream that requires $0 to start. Platforms like YouTube or blogging sites like Medium and WordPress allow you to make money from ads displayed to your audience. For YouTube, once you meet the platform's monetization requirements, ads play on your videos, and you earn every time someone watches them. On blogging platforms, you earn from ad placements on your site. This works well if you're passionate about creating content in a specific area: cooking, travel, tech, or finance, whatever excites you. The content you create can continue to generate ad revenue over time. Passive income idea 5: royalties from creative content. Finally, if you're a creative, think music, photography, or even writing, you can earn royalties. Sites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock let photographers upload photos and earn money every time someone downloads them. Musicians can upload tracks to platforms like DistroKid to earn streaming royalties on Spotify, Apple Music, and more. For writers, platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to publish ebooks for free and earn royalties every time someone buys or reads them. This is perfect if you love creative work and want to get paid for it over and over. Final thoughts and tips. So, there you have it. 5 completely free passive income ideas for 2025. Remember, while these don't require money up front, they do need your time and consistency, especially in the beginning. Pick the one that fits your interests and skills, commit to it, and watch the passive income flow in over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Let's make 2025 your year of financial growth.